Okay, just want to come on here really quick, you guys, and show you how they came out. We now have 30 pounds of chicken in jars. Look at those bubbles. That is what you want. They all sealed. Every jar has a 4 jars canning lid. All my rings are old rings, and they turn the colors, oxidization because of the vinegar that I use. But look at that color. Look at the chicken. Beautiful. And those bubbles. I missed the popping on camera. They popped so quickly. All perfect, no siphoning. Liquid levels are all perfect. So I got 6 wide mouth, and all the rest are regular mouth. And you can see all bubbling nicely. Just perfect. The water is crystal clear in the canner. Didn't get any siphoning, absolutely zero. Look at that. Perfect canning session of ugly chicken. So I think I'm pretty set on chicken to get us through the winter, because I did wind up freezing a little bit of it as well. So if it goes on sale, maybe one more time, I'll get another 10 pounds. If it's another $2 a pound, $1.97 a pound, yeah, I'll get another 10 pounds. I might be tempted to get another 20 pounds. My husband will probably say no, because he wants turkey this year. We're gonna get a couple turkeys and can it. Turkey comes out so good. But just wanted to show you guys. Got a couple shorts up showing this as well. Again, didn't get the popping sound. They popped so quickly. Love the 4 jars canning lids. They just pop so quick. But they're all already sealed, all of them. There are none that didn't already seal. Love it. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. And let's give away a debubbler. I think I put mine in the sink. You guys know what my debubblers look like. They have my logo on them. Let me get one real quick. Here's one right here. It's a brand new one. They're actually clear, but it has this backing on it. Has my canning name, my logo, and then all of these right here to measure when you, for your headspace. But this is what I used, well, not this one, but this is what I used to push all the chicken down to make sure that there was no spacing to get as much chicken in the jars as I possibly could. So there you go. We're going to give away one of these. Word of the day on this one is going to be canned chicken, because I think we did an ugly chicken on one of the other ones. So, yep, there you go. So who cans chicken? Let me know. Maybe we'll give away another debubbler. How about we give away 2 debubblers? One for the best story of canning chicken. How much chicken do you can a year? Let me know. And what do you like to do with your chicken? So for that story, for those 2 answers, we're going to give away 1 debubbler. And for the word of the day, we're going to give away another one. So let me know. One of these will be yours. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be making some more blueberry jam and some corn cob jelly, and we'll see what's in the cards for later on this week. See you soon, guys. Have a great week.